Mangwon Market is a traditional market located about a 30-minute walk from Hongdae. It has become a popular destination for both Seoul residents and international visitors. The market is easy to reach, just a 3-minute walk from exit 2 of Mangwon Station on Seoul Subway Line 6. On the way from the subway station to the market, there are many shops selling affordable fruits, vegetables, and freshly baked bread, making it a convenient place for everyday shopping. The walk to the market is also filled with many international visitors, reflecting Mangwon Market's growing popularity among travelers from around the world. At the entrance, visitors are greeted by a wide variety of freshly prepared Korean street foods, including fried snacks, sundae, gimbap, dumplings, dakgangjeong, kalguksu, and many other local favorites. A roof covers the entire market, making it a comfortable place to explore even on rainy or cloudy days. Jokbal, tender, chewy pig's trotters braised in a rich, savory soy-based broth, a legendary Korean late-night Seoul food. Korean traditional snacks. Peanut cake.
밑에 가면 송이라고 있어, 송이네. 거기가 좀 유명하거든요. 저기 만들어 놓은 걸 찍은 게 더 이쁘실 거 아니에요?
Although Mangwon Market has recently become one of Seoul's popular tourist destinations, food and shopping prices remain relatively affordable. Jeon, pan-fried savory pancakes made with various meats, seafood, and vegetables coated in a light batter. Jeon. Dakbao, spicy chicken feet fiery, collagen-rich Korean delicacy coated in an intense chili sauce. It's super spicy but highly addictive. Gimbap, seaweed rice rolls packed with colorful, seasoned vegetables and savory fillings. Healthy, portable, and delicious. Eomuk, savory skewered fish cake simmered in a warm, comforting broth. A classic and cozy Korean street food staple. Two whole fried chickens for $11 US. Banchan, Korean side dishes. The market offers a chance to experience everyday life in Seoul, while enjoying the lively atmosphere of a traditional neighborhood market. Fresh produce, butcher shops, seafood stores, and side dish vendors continue to serve local residents, preserving the authentic character of this vibrant traditional market. Gochu-twigim, stuffed fried chili peppers, Big, juicy green chili peppers stuffed with savory minced meat and vegetables, fried to an incredible crunch. Chili mayo sauce. Xinjiang mayo sauce. Spicy. Jjajangmyeon, spicy chewy noodles, super spicy. Cold, super bouncy and chewy noodles tossed in a sweet and fiery chili sauce. The texture of the noodles is amazingly addictive.